Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You.
Hello.
And our Maxwell, we have not come to you for a little while. To say the least, we have had a extremely highs and lows, stressful week. Yeah, and as you may know, we've had like 5 major things going on. Let's rewind about what was it, 2.5 weeks ago or so, 3 weeks ago. Our family dog had died. Not our dog, our son's dog, as you know, Bear. That really affected all of us. That was about a week's worth of just sorrow we all were feeling. Yeah, and then we had a high. We had a new baby. As you know, we had Hampton Rose, our son Niles and his wife Allie had their little baby. 5 weeks early. She's just delightful. I'll put some pictures up at the end, of course. And then on that Sunday that we went to see baby Hampton Rose, Maxwell was holding her.
Then...
And
2 days after,
2 days after, Maxwell had a surgery. And
the first night was terrible.
The first night.
Terrible, and then I'm almost back to the pain I was.
Yeah. Speak up.
I'm almost back to the pain I was on the
Maxwell
first day, but I'm not quite there yet.
Yeah, still. Maxwell had a bit of has had a bit of a setback. The first night after a very delicate surgery in a very delicate area. We didn't need to say more. It was horrendous. It was terrible. What happened?
Excruciating pain, barely.
They can't hear you.
Excruciating pain, barely walk and stuff.
He was vomiting. He had a fever. Terrible pain. We were, for a hot minute there, we were in a bit of a panic because Maxwell was sent home after a fairly major, delicate surgery. Was sent home with no painkillers, Tylenol and Motrin, which for the last few days the Motrin, the ibuprofen, has helped a bit, but the pain has come back. We have to call the doctor. So we had that surgery, which was just such a worry. Such a worry. Maxwell's been pretty much sleeping for the last week.
Tomorrow will be a week.
Tomorrow will be a week. This is on Monday.
Ouch.
So, yeah. No, this is not a good video.
It's a video.
Yeah, but it's not a good video. You don't want to look so pathetic. And people can't hear you, Maxwell.
I'm not that pathetic looking.
You're a bit pathetic. I'm pathetic.
This wasn't going to be a good video to begin with.
Yeah.
Like,
well, but maybe we don't want to put out not a nice video for people.
I'd rather be honest than...
Oh, okay. Maxwell's not being honest. People
not being honest.
Okay, well, how about the hundreds of prayers? What do you think?
Thanks. Thank you.
And did they help on the day?
It helped on the the hour after the surgery, but not leading up to the surgery.
Yeah, leading up to the surgery, the 2 days before the surgery, Maxwell was an extreme anxious mess.
Yeah.
So we were saying, listen, we are praying for calm, and on the day, I don't want to talk over Maxwell, but I felt as his mom and Ian, on the day we were calm, and the doctor...
I stayed calm, but I was not calm at all.
Yeah, no. And then the days after, the pain and the healing from this has been...
Oh, a nightmare.
A nightmare. Been very grueling.
It's not fun.
It's not fun.
Have surgery, they said. Be fun, they said. Hooray!
It's been terrible. But then what happened? 2 days after your surgery, what happened? We had another. Another. Your uncle number
21.
21. And Francois and Brianna had their little baby, Beckham Jack. A few days after, Hampton Rose. Cool names, Hampton Rose and Beckham Jack. Yeah, everything was fine. She had a 6-pound, 15-ounce little baby boy, 21 inches long, Beckham Jack, at home. It was very, very quick. She was going to have a water birth, and they didn't even have a chance to fill the pool. She was saying, we have not obviously gone to see baby. They live about 45 minutes, 50 minutes away in New Jersey.
I thought they live an hour. Oh, wait, that's more like John Pierre.
Yeah, that's more like our other son. Boys have come to visit. You got flowers from Heather, and some sweets and everything. Yeah, it's just a matter of now of recuperating. Maxwell is laying on the sofa here during the day.
Slow and painful?
And it's just terrible. And we're not one for taking drugs, but there's no drugs to take other than over the counter. And we were saying this almost deemed to have a stronger prescription drug, but they don't do it. We understand that. So it's just trying to manage the pain from this surgery. So we're going to be a little few weeks out of healing. We went to, so anyway, so Beckham was born, and then what happened?
I just had to go to Walmart. That was fun.
We had to go to Walmart.
Oh, that was torture.
We had to go to Walmart, and we haven't been to Walmart in
a few months.
But we needed to get some things, some toiletries that only Walmart has for us. So it was almost the first time Maxwell's been out, and I said, shall we go? So as soon as we got in, I asked if we could use a scooter.
Yeah, the first scooter died on me, and I had to get another one.
So I'm walking ahead of Maxwell.
I do not go fast on the said scooter.
So I'm thinking, okay, I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I've not been sleeping well. I'm exhausted. I'm in pain. I'm coming out in sympathy with our son.
You're not as much pain as I am. You don't.
But
I can't say.
You can't say that. But obviously, I'm not in that pain. But every mother out there knows that. I've just been in limbo, trying to look after Maxwell. So I'm walking. I'm thinking slowly, and I hear, "Mommy, Mommy." And all of a sudden, you're in the pajama department. Totally stalled out.
Yeah.
I turn around and I'm like, would you hurry it up? And you're like, it's dead, the scooter.
So a customer helped me, got me
customer? I thought it was an associate.
A customer got an associate for me.
So but then all of a sudden you're like,
that one was a loud scooter.
He had a loud scooter, so... Oh, that was a shame. We really shouldn't have gone out. But you needed to get your stuff. I needed to get my stuff too, my cherries.
I meant to get body wash, but I forgot.
I know, I saw that. He went to get his body wash. You got your shampoo.
I tried a different shampoo. I think I'm going to like it.
Oh, that's nice, yeah. So anyway, we did that, and that totally exhausted us both. So it's not been a great week. We've had babies and we've had surgeries, and
you mean surgery?
Surgery.
Like surgeries is multiple.
Oh, would you like to have it done again?
Heck no.
Heck no.
No.
Oh no.
I would never have it again.
Yeah. No, it's been brutal. It's been brutal. But you've been sending so many prayers and concern for Maxwell that we're not really in a state to make a video, but here we are, and it's not been good. Let me just say that for our family, it's been very stressful here. Other than the babies, which is happiness and wonderful joy, but right here, the Truelove household, the three of us, it's been extremely stressful.
Yeah.
To see Maxwell in
Is it the right time to ask for you know what?
Is it the right time to ask for? Oh, that's stop. Somebody said now would be the right time for Maxwell to ask for an espresso machine.
But I don't know which
You don't know
one
which-
because there's so many.
Exactly.
So many options that I'd have to send you the model number.
No, stop. Stop. So anyway, so that's been our week. Don't mean to come on and complain.
Hey, I got a new French press though. That's pretty.
Yes. Oh, we did. That was that the first day? No, that was whenever it was. Maxwell did get a French press, really pretty, and they've come down. It was $10.
Is it clean? Is that French press clean?
No, it's not. Yeah, it's soaking. But yeah, that was nice. He got a French press. That was nice. Anyway, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Okay.
There's nothing really else to
Nothing
be...
else to say other than we're checking in and saying it's not been a very good week for Maxwell.
It might not be a good week or a good month. I don't know.
Yeah, the healing could take up to a month, or maybe
or
shorter or longer.
Shorter
We don't
or longer, but it's usually in older men that it takes longer.
Yeah, older men, this surgery would take a bit longer. Speaking of older men, Daddy.
Dad has a high tolerance to pain. I'm same as my dad. High tolerance to pain. Like, Dad doesn't really believe in the whole pain killers, right? He's English, and I'm
American. You have a high tolerance to pain.
I have a high tolerance to pain, and I need painkillers.
And he needs Tylenol and Motrin.
Tylenol and Motrin,
which is just about
barely working.
Yeah, barely working. This is an excruciating.
How hard is it to get a little bit stronger stuff?
Yeah, no, we can't. They said they're not going to prescribe stronger stuff.
Oh, well, it is like because people have abused that stuff.
Opioids, and when genuinely somebody needs a painkiller who does not have an addictive personality, who would just use it in this case. Anyway, we'll soldier on through this, but it's been a rough, tough week.
I think we could get him, but we would just have to fight for it, like prove that I'm actually.
He's in really pain, and it's not worth it. It's not worth it. We'll just take it steady, and we just wanted to let you guys know where we are. Not in a great place for Maxwell, but just to thank you all. I have not commented on any of your comments. We have been, and I know a lot of you are wondering what in the world is going on with the Trueloves, because we do keep in touch. Anyway, we just wanted to say good morning and thank you so very much for all of your kindness and your love. And we'll check back again. Hopefully Maxwell will be feeling a little bit better soon.
Yeah.
Thank you
Hopefully
so
within
much.
the next week, I can feel better.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Let's go.
Smile.
Pain smile.
Smile. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.